Mind mapping is a way of organising your thoughts, your reading or your planning that's very visual and allows you to see patterns and relationships between different parts. If you have complex information to organise or you are struggling to create order in your thinking, a mind map can be a great way to start. You can draw them by hand, but using a computer allows you to rearrange or change your mind map without having to cross out or start from scratch. So let's have a look at how we can make a mind map and what things we can do with it. I'm going to start by going to the Start menu and I'm typing in Mind. It lists various bits of software, but the one that I want is MindView. And I'm going to choose just the basic mind map. The one I'm doing is quite simple, but you can make yours as complex as you want, based on lecture notes or reading or maybe summarising a paper. So in the middle I'm going to call it Staying Healthy, and from there I just click on it to select it and press the Insert button, and I can start to add ideas around the edge. So I'll add food, exercise, stay organised, and managing my mind. So there's 4 things related to staying healthy. I'm going to begin to add to some of these. So under food, I can press Insert again and add an additional one, and then I just press Enter and Enter again, and it gives me another one. So I can build this up step by step. Another thing that I can do is capture information from other sources. So I'm going to select Managing My Mind. I'm going to go to Insert, Capture, and then I'm going to a web page that I've brought up, which is about John Kabat-Zinn, who was the founder of mindfulness. So I'm going to go down to the bottom corner here, I'll just bring this up a little bit, and click on Text. I'm then going to highlight a little bit about this, and then click on Capture Text. It shows me the text that I'm capturing, it gives me the title and the URL, and I can then click on to save. I go back into MindView, and now under Managing My Mind, you'll see that it's added some text here below which I can read about. I can also add some little icons. So if I go and click onto food, I can go to Insert, and there's a selection of icons here. And I think this is one of the most important areas, so I'm going to give it a little red flag. I want to add more to this area here, so I'm going to add a little clock to remind me to do it when I've got time. And bit by bit, I've started to build my mind map. One of the final things to show you is that this can be exported. So I'm going to go to File and Export, and then select Microsoft Word. I'll just do a quick export for this example. So I choose a name and click Save. When I open the document, you can see that it's given me the mind map, it's given me the headings, and then as I scroll through, each of those headings is listed, and I could edit the Word document, and if I've imported any text or images, they also appear. So it's a good way of changing your mind map into a longer piece of text. Mind mapping really suits some people, others it's not so good. But why not give it a go and see if it's something that helps you to organise the way that you work?